Hi, to set up custom watermark on this Vivo V40, we would need to go in the camera app first, which looks like that. And now on the upper panel, we can see the settings icon. Simply tap it and here select the watermark. So now it is disabled because you can see the switcher on the off position. But if we'll enable it to switch on the on, we would be able to select its style. For example, this is color adaptive border. You can tap on it and check it more detailed, and here you can customize it. Now let's go back to the watermark settings and scroll a bit, and now we can see the custom border. So tap it, then tap again, and we can customize it as we want. For example, this signature. Here tap, you can select keyboard input and just type in something custom like that. In the image, you can select another image. For example, go in your gallery and select something from here. For the border background, you can check those options, and here you can see the changes. I like this one. I think it matches with this picture. And here you can also select another board type. In the shooting parameters, you can disable or enable some of the features. And here you can either enable to show daily time like that or disable, and it will become something like this without daily time. Here you can also enable to show current location in your watermark. So let's tap the signature again, and here we can also draw a signature. Just draw something here. Save the changes, and that is how it will look now. I guess it's really cute, so let's leave it that way. And now to save the changes, it is enough to simply go back using this arrow. Now let's take a photo to check the watermark. And here is how it looks. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.